video, we'll explore 12 machines engineered to crush, tear apart, and obliterate everything in their way. What happens when 3,000 pounds of steel meets 15 gallons of gasoline? Bad decisions. This car just got fed to a high-torque shredder. Fuel tank still full. One tiny spark from grinding metal and boom, instant firestorm. It's jaw-dropping power mixed with a reckless mistake. Stick around, things are only getting crazier from here. Recycling car scrap in European countries generates high profits by recovering valuable metals like steel, aluminum, and copper. It reduces raw material costs, protects the environment, saves energy, and creates jobs in the recycling industry. This is a sustainable and efficient circular economy model. Ever seen a 67-foot fishing boat get torn apart like paper? You're about to. A 400-ton marine lift hoists her up while a steel-jawed excavator moves in with surgical precision. Fiberglass crunches, timber groans. It's demolition, but it feels like choreography. No sparks, no flames, just pure hydraulic grace. This isn't destruction, it's mechanical art. Don't blink, the wheelhouse cracks open next. Think a wood chipper can't be elegant? Meet the Dostad 812 dirhams. Precision-built German engineering with a 12-foot horizontal feed and a press roller that chews through 20-inch logs like it's slicing bread. It doesn't roar, it hums, smooth and efficient. No jerks, no jams, just clean, consistent output. This isn't brute force, it's smart force. Stay tuned, the coordination with loaders is pure mechanical ballet. Ever seen an engine block implode from all sides at once? The Rompy Me brings the pressure, literally. 3 hydraulic rams, top, left, and right, crush the core with over 100,000 pounds of force. No torches, no sparks, just raw compression inside a sealed steel chamber. It's fast, brutal, and surprisingly safe. Want to see steel fold like cardboard? Keep watching. This machine doesn't mess around. What does it take to bring down a 60-foot steel silo wrapped in rebar? Precision teamwork. A high-reach excavator and a hydraulic hammer tag team the structure, peeling it down piece by piece with surgical force. But wait, see that guy just a few feet away? One wrong move and it's disaster. Demolition isn't just brute power, it's calculated risk. Stay sharp. Machines don't miss, but people do. Taking down a giant smokestack isn't just brute force, it's precise, calculated work. One wrong move can spell disaster. Watch as engineers pull off a flawless demolition after thunderous blasts. Weeks of planning for a moment that lasts seconds.
Wow.
An old high-rise building had deteriorated so severely that it was no longer safe to use. A decision was made to demolish it completely. A professional demolition crew chose a smart method, using a massive tower crane equipped with a giant wrecking ball weighing several tons. Each swing delivered a powerful blow to the building's walls, creating immense destructive force. This method proved not only effective, but also ensured the safety of the entire crew. A truly spectacular and satisfying demolition scene. Back in the day, destruction relied on crude tools, slow, dangerous, and far from efficient. But now, the game has changed. Enter the real monsters of modern demolition. Massive steel jaws, crushing everything in their path. One grip, and concrete crumbles like paper. It's raw power, unleashed. Think bigger means better? Think again. Meet the Dopstat DW3060, a slow-speed shredder powered by a 422 horsepower Mercedes-Benz engine. It may not look monstrous, but this beast matches the output of machines twice its size, while burning way less fuel. Thanks to German engineering, it handles wood, construction waste, even bulky municipal trash without breaking a sweat. Clean cuts, quiet operation, and lower diesel bills? That's next-gen shredding. The DW3060 isn't just powerful, it's smart, efficient, and built for the future of recycling. Ready to see what smart power really looks like? Keep watching. The Oracle 95DK doesn't just crush, it devours. From roof to rims, it tears through a full-size sedan in seconds. No pause, no mercy. This isn't just power, it's domination on hydraulics. Think your pickup could survive this beast? Drop a comment. Rate the Oracle from 1 to total annihilation. The Raptor RQ 122 packs, 200 horsepower, and a built-in water injection system, cutting down dust, heat, and fire risks in one smart move. Whole 22-inch tires go in, and 3-inch rubber chips come flying out in seconds. It's fast, clean, and built for non-stop action. Think your tire shop could use one of these? What if destruction could help the planet? The CBI 5400 takes branches, stumps, and scrap wood and turns them into fine mulch for biomass fuel. Powered by a heavy-duty rotor and high-impact hammers, it chews through wood waste at lightning speed. Cleaner air, less landfill, and more energy. That's sustainable forestry in action. Who builds a wood grinder from scratch? Meet Vasily Kartishin, a one-man machine shop. From raw steel to razor-sharp blades forged from truck springs, every inch of his homemade chipper screams craftsmanship. With calipers, welders, and pure heart, he turns scrap into a mechanical masterpiece. Proof that passion still powers real engineering. From crushing cars to creating clean fuel, these machines don't just destroy, they transform. In a world drowning in waste, tech like this gives us a second chance. If you believe in smart recycling and badass engineering, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and stick with us for more green power in action.